Hello, guys. Welcome to a new fresh episode of Crypto Milad. Today it's 26 March and we're gonna have a great crypto episode. We're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin charts, guys. And what we also gonna do is have a special episode of Hoppy because I think Hoppy bottomed out and we're gonna have some massive upside coming, guys. So first of all, we're gonna take at the Bitcoin charts because of course the Bitcoin charts is also very important for any meme coin, any altcoin, any cryptocurrency project, guys. Because the king, that's Bitcoin, and everybody knows that. So let's go to the weekly chart, guys. The weekly chart, what it shows me, we have three weekly green candles, and that's always something positive in the market. The MACD, it looks more bullish than bearish in my sense of view. The RSI, it looks quite good, it's going the right way. And the CMF, it's when it can go a little bit more up, but it doesn't look that bad, it looks neutral. So what we need to defend, guys, the defense, it's 76k. 76k, it's a very important level what we need to protect, guys, as cryptocurrency market, as the Bitcoin market, to have some continuation inside the market, guys. So what we need to do actually, guys, to really change the structure in the weekly chart, it's breaking 95k. A 95k close in the weekly chart, it shows me that there is a very strong possibility in the upside. The next thing what then need to happen, guys, it's breaking this line what you see here, and that's at this moment at around 102k. So a candle close around let's say for sure 102 103k, it makes me mega bullish. That will increase the probability that we can go and break the all-time high what stands at this moment at 109k. So guys, the end buzz 109k, it can be very soon broken in my sense of viewing the market. I think there is a big probability that the Q1 was a red month, a red Q. The Q1 was a red 3 months, guys. But I think the Q2 have more upside for us to come. I think the Q2, it's a quite high probability possibility that it can be a green Q2, guys. Let's go fast to the 4-day charts for the Bitcoin. The 4-day charts, it shows me actually that to change the structure, we need one close, guys. One 4-day close above 91k. A 4-day close above 91k, it shows that there is some change in structure and we're gonna go higher. At this moment, we have 4 green 4-day candles, and that's of course something nice to see. The MACD, it looks like that it's gonna cross in the upcoming days, weeks. The RSI, it's going the right way. It's better if we're gonna go above the yellow line, which you see here. And then the CMF, it's at least above the 0 line. And that's of course something good, guys. It's always good to be above the 0 line with the cash money flow. So let's see how this plays out. You could here see at the 4-day, we had here a MRI buy on the 4-day, and until now it plays quite well out, guys. So let's go to the daily chart, because in the daily charts I gonna show you something, guys. We are in this some kind of bearish channel, but guys, normally this channel, why it's called bearish channel, because it comes from a downside movement, guys. We are in a downside movement in the Bitcoin charts. I'm gonna zoom this a little bit out so you can see it better. You can clearly see that we, for example, had here the high. It was a daily MRI sell, and from then we went down, lower lows and lower highs. What you can very clear see in this structure, guys, that we need to have a close above 95k to break this high. This high is quite important because this breaking this high, it's changed the structure. And then from that point, we need to break this point. Let's say 103K. 103K need to be broken, guys, to totally change the sentiment of the market, because we are now in a sentiment of doubt. The last week, the past week, it's of course it's going well. We go a little bit up. We have here higher highs and higher lows. So that's something important. But the most important is actually a close above 90K. That's the first phase. A close above 95K. That's the second phase. And the third confirmation, what confirms anything and change the sentiment, it's for me 103K, guys. That will totally change the sentiment. And I think at that moment, guys, at that moment, we can prepare for the meme season. We can prepare for the altcoin season, because I think that the Q2 in 2020, 25, where we are now in, I think that will bring us some surprises inside the market, guys. I am bullish at this moment of time. Just I want to tell you one thing, guys. As long we don't break above, let's say above at least 90K, and then the second confirmation above 95K, I stay a little bit cautious, guys. I stay a little bit cautious, because when we're gonna break this line, this channel where we are in, if we're gonna break it, and with break it, I mean one daily close under, for example, at this moment of time, it's, let's say, 84K. Let's say we have a close candle at 84K. That will increase the probability that we can have some downside, guys, and that we're going to break down from this channel and continue the downward structure. What can be a little bit dangerous, because then we go again to the 80Ks and the 76K, 77K. And at that moment of time, guys, we can have one final leg more down in my sense of view in the market. And the final leg down, I expect it will not be under 70K. As long we hold 70K, as long we can defend it, I think everything looks quite good, and I think the market still looks healthy, and we are definitely in the bull market, guys. A sip of the coffee, guys, and then we're gonna go to the Hoppy charts, because the Hoppy charts, guys, is something to celebrate at this moment of time. So, guys, the Hoppy charts, let's go to Hoppy. Like I told you guys a couple weeks ago, my expectation was that we bottomed out at this candle, guys, at this beautiful MRI buy, what was at the daily, at the weekly, and at the 4 days charts. That happens almost never. It was a unique chance to go long inside Hoppy at that moment of time. It was 14 March. I knew almost until my bones, guys, that this was a upside, and I made this call, guys. I made this call, and I was quite happy. My average buy was at 14.15. That was a good buy, guys, and from that point we are already up. Let's see, in a week time we are already up more than 100%, guys. That's a celebration. That's a celebration for the Hoppy holders. That's a celebration for everybody that made this call, because we are double in price in a week time. And guys, this is something nice. And I expect that Hoppy bottomed out, guys. I think that Hoppy really bottomed out at this price. It will very, very, very surprise me if we go back with Hoppy and we're gonna break this point. I give that not even a 10% of probability. I think we can maybe have a little pullback until maximum 23, 22, 24, if the people that didn't buy in want to be lucky and want to buy in again. But I think, guys, I think the chance of probability, it's a lot bigger that we in the daily chart not gonna come under the 20 EMA anymore. And the 20 EMA at this moment of time, guys, it's at 24. So at 24, I don't see a much chance that we go under 24 with Hoppy. I think Hoppy is in a quite bullish sentiment at this moment of time. We are with the CMF above the zero line. The RSI looks great. The MACD looks great. Guys, Hoppy at this moment, it's bullish again. And we waited for a long time for Hoppy. That that went bullish, guys. And we went it for a very, very, very long time. We went it exactly from this point that was at 28th of October from the past year, from 2024. We waited. That's almost 6 7 months, guys. October, November, December, January, February, March. That's almost 6 months, almost 6 months, guys, because it was end of October that we topped out with Hoppy, and we had a half year of patience. So I want to say to all the strong hands of Hoppy and the Hopi community, guys, I am quite proud of everybody that hold in this time, because it was a uncertain time. It was a quite scary time. We went a lot up. We went 25%, 2500% down, 25 times down from the top until the bottom. And I understand that can be scary, guys. It can be scary for all the holders of Hopi, guys, that hold from the top to the bottom. I think you guys deserve to get some good gains in the near future. And this is, I think, what the game's all is about. When you didn't cash out at the top, then of course you don't know where to go out again, because you don't know exactly when we're gonna pump again. It could happen anytime, any moment. So I understand that a lot of people, they just hold their backs and they believe in the project, because I see the community of Hopi. It's a quite active community, a strong community, guys. Send some nice comments under this video, guys. Send some nice comments, because I want to hear your talks about it. I want to hear the stories of the Hopi people that believed so much in Hopi, and it goes up again. And I want to hear some positive nice comments. And of course, you can always say your own opinion, but I think the most Hopi community is quite bullish at this moment, and we expect a big bounce from here, guys. And like I said, it looks quite strong. Everything looks quite strong in my way of seeing. Like you see here, a second MRI buy on the weekly. We had at the 4 days MRI buy what perfectly played out. It need to load. Yeah, here perfectly it played out. And then at the daily we had the same. It really went so good up, guys. And in all the ways, I think like Hopi, it's at the moment that the charts, it looks very, very, very strong, guys. I think let's see how far we can go. I expect when Bitcoin gonna break the all-time high, that Hopi gonna make some crazy, crazy, crazy moves up, guys. This is not financial advice, guys. Like you guys know, in this channel, we don't give financial advice. It's all my own journey. It's all my own expectations. It's 11 years experience in the crypto and in the trading. But I think how I see the chart, because you guys know, I check always the charts. I don't care about news. I don't care about FUD. I don't care about all this news. I just check the things on the facts, what it shows me on the chart. And the charts at this moment, guys, it shows me that we can have some great move up. So I'm bullish on Hopi, guys. I hope everybody that it's in Hopi, because I know there is a lot of good people inside Hopi. I hope you guys gonna enjoy the ride with Hopi and make the right decisions. If you have some questions, if you have something to tell, please put it in the comments. If you have some special coin, maybe a special project, what you think that's also a great project like Hopi, put the love in the comment, guys. Maybe I will announce it one of these weeks, because I'm gonna make a couple videos behind each other about meme coins, what I think that have a big probability to show some move upside. I gonna check the charts that looking bullish. I gonna check the charts that had made some gains in the past weeks, and that we need to keep an eye on. And I want to keep an eye on to see where are the bottoms, if the bottoms are formed or not, and if there is continuation. I want to announce this kind of coins, guys, because there is a lot of coins at this moment in the market that gonna go up a lot. I see a lot of nice coins, what really doing well at this moment of time, guys. The past week was a very good week for the meme people. A lot of projects give you some gains, because we had a lot of hard weeks the past months, guys. But I think April, May, June, July, and the rest of the summer and the rest of the year, I think it will quite be quite bullish, guys. I'm quite bullish in many meme coins. I think the meme cycle will start very, very, very soon. I think the first Q1 was a little bit disappointed. I understand that. Just I think the game is not over, guys. We are waiting with a close eye to see what Bitcoin is doing, which direction Bitcoin will go, and from there, guys, we will analyze every day some good projects. We will analyze Bitcoin. We will keep everybody up to date because we have one journey here inside this cryptocurrency, and we want to give positivity, guys. And I want to find some great coins. You guys know what my journey was. Find the Pepe in the early stage. Why find the new Pepe in the early stage? And we are still at that journey, guys. And beside that, we're gonna also announce all the projects, nice projects, good projects with good gains, what are launched and new things, guys. Because we are here together, like I said, one big crypto family, guys, and we're gonna try do our best to grow our portfolio together. Of course, do always your own research for everything. That's very important in the crypto. I give here my opinion. I hope it serves somebody, and you can analyze this kind of opinions. It's always good to hear different opinions in the space, guys. I want to wish you all a fantastic day wherever you are, guys. Crypto Milat here, and protect your bags, guys, because the crypto market, it's a jungle, guys. It's a jungle. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I see you all hopefully tomorrow with a new episode. Bye bye, guys. Ciao.